Hey everyone, Artem here, and in this video I'm going to show you 2 ways to create a sticky header on your WordPress site using Elementor. Before we get started, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's begin. Let's go. Elementor is already installed. Let's activate the Elementor plugin. I also have Elementor Pro, but right now I'll show you how to make a sticky header using the free version of Elementor. Here's what we'll need. Install this plugin. Go to Plugins. We installed the plugin Sticky Header Effects for Elementor. Activate it. The plugin is now activated. Next, go to the header, select this section Container, and go to Advanced. Now, thanks to the Sticky Header Effects plugin, we have this new settings option here. Select it. Turn it on. Here you can choose which screen types will display the sticky header. We'll leave all of them selected. Row distance. This setting controls the distance in pixels. We scroll Yes. After scrolling 60 pixels, the sticky header appears and gets fixed. Here we can enable header transparency when it becomes sticky. Next, we can change the background color. Let's change it. When the sticky header appears, it will change. The custom menu toggle button here lets you set a different icon for the hamburger menu on mobile. Then there's the border. You can set a bottom border. Next, shadow. You can add a shadow to the sticky menu. Then, change logo color. You can change the logo color. You can also blur the background. Hide header on scroll down hides the header when you scroll down, and if you scroll up, the header reappears. That's a pretty useful option. Scroll distance, 500 pixels. Well, that's fine. So, these are all the settings for the fixed header. Let's save and see how our fixed header looks. We go to the main page of the site, and as you can see, our header pops up. It immediately changes color, and there's a shadow at the bottom here. Perfect, that's done. Now let me show you how you can do this using code. This will be the second option. The second method works with the Elementor Pro plugin. So, if you don't have Elementor Pro, you can download it from my Telegram channel. The link will be in the description. Install Elementor Pro, and there won't be any restrictions on pinning. There's a specific setting that's only available in the Pro version. So, I haven't activated Elementor Pro yet. Now I'm clicking Activate. It's already installed. Elementor Pro is now activated. Let's go to the main page, or more precisely, to the header page. Here, as you can see, we currently have just one header. To create a sticky header, we need a similar section, so we'll just duplicate it. We'll name the top section, the top container, sticky. Well, something like that, anyway. You can name it however you like, just so it stands out visually. Next, we need to copy the code. For now, let's just publish it so the changes are saved. You need to copy the code. This code will also be available via a link in the description of this video on the Telegram channel. Let's copy this code. Go to the main page of the website. As you can see, right now we have 2 headers showing. Go to Customize or Settings. Here, go to Custom CSS and paste the code that will be in the description of this video. Now, here we copy header 2. We'll need this class, so let's copy it right away. Click on Publish or Save if you're using the Russian version. The changes have been saved, so now we can close this. Let's go to our header in the Elementor settings. Here, we select Sticky and go to Advanced to the Additional settings. Here, we insert the header 2 class. In the regular header, in the container, we set the header 1 class. Now, let's save. In the regular header settings, in Layout, set a negative margin, -59, for example, or -58. Click Publish, and now the header is hidden, this sticky one. Now let's go to the sticky header, right here. Here, we go to the Motion Effects tab, and where it says Sticky, set Position to Top and set Effects Offset to 250. So, it will appear after 250 pixels. Alright, let's publish it. Now, everything is working great, and we can see that our initial setup is functioning as expected. Let's take a closer look at how our design displays on other devices, which is an important step to ensure a consistent user experience. To do this, we select the Inspect tool in our browser, which allows us to preview the website on different screen sizes and devices. Here, I choose the Responsiveness option, which lets us simulate various devices and see how the layout adapts. For example, I'll pick a laptop from the available device presets. On the laptop view, we can observe that the layout is working at 75%, which means the scaling and proportions are mostly correct for that screen size. Now, let's move on to smartphones. When we switch to a mobile device view, we notice that our header also pops up as expected. Everything in the header section is displaying fine, which is great. However, our main content area isn't set up properly for mobile yet, and that's because there's a large margin applied. This margin is causing the main section to be misaligned or spaced out too much on smaller screens. To fix this, we just need to remove that margin in the mobile version, or rather, make it smaller so that the content fits better. For example, we can adjust the margin like this. Let's just remove it for now to check how it looks without any extra spacing. Previously, I had set the margin way too high, which was causing the issue, but now, after reducing it, the layout is a bit better and more suitable for mobile devices. However, for mobile, the main section is still not fully set up yet, so let's go ahead and adjust it further. Let's try setting the margin to -20 for mobile devices, which should help bring the content into the correct position. Yeah, something like that works much better. By making these adjustments, we can ensure that our website looks good and functions well across different devices, providing a better experience for all users. Mobile coffee. This one. For tablets as well. But all of this still needs to be configured. You can fine-tune it yourself. So, that was the video. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There will also be links to the code and plugins in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next videos.